Hi there, here we are with our patient Renato. We're going to show you how the sutures look. Okay, so what we did is we did a MaxHarvest hair transplant procedure. Now keep in mind, I just took the stitches out, literally. That's where the suture line is. So now let's show you how the grafts look. Alright. So now that the main part of the healing process is over, how was your experience, my friend?
Great, great. Amazing. I'll recommend to everyone.
Welcome. We'll look forward to seeing you when it grows out.
All right.